Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. In this video I will show you how to add a fog effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. And this is my clip that I want to add the fog effect on. So you just right click it, then go to open in Fusion page. And here you drag in a merge node between media in and media out. And then you add this fast noise just on top of merge 1 and connect it with merge 1, just like this. And here you can see you already have kind of a noise. What I like to do is just get a little bit more detail, but less contrast. For example, if you do all the contrast here, you can see it just messes it up. So what I like to do is just like maybe 0.6 is fine. And then you can increase the seed rate to, I like to do 0.07. And now if we can let it play, as you can see, the fog even moves a bit. Yeah, and this already would be a good fog. But if you, for example, want the fog only to appear at the bottom half or at the upper half, you can use this one, the rectangle, ellipse, or polygon one. I'm choosing the rectangle one. Just drag it next to fast noise and connect it with fast noise, just like this. Now you have this square, like this rectangle. What you want to do, or what I'm going to do with my clip, is increasing the width so it's all the way to the right and left, and increasing the soft edge all the way to 0.2. So it's like, yeah, it's just a soft edge. And then I'm going to drag it down because I only want the effect to appear at the bottom half. And now if we go back and let it play, this is our end result. The fog is at the bottom half, and at the top it doesn't have fog. Okay, that was a quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to add fog. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.